Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and removing distributions. First, export any important files with WSL export or copy them out. Once done, close all Linux terminals so files aren't locked. Next, you'll list installed distros with WSL list verbose to confirm names. Then remove each distro. Either use settings apps to uninstall or run WSL unregistered distro name for a precise removal. Do this now so the subsystem has no active distros left. It prevents orphaned files and data loss. Once distros are gone, you disable the subsystem features themselves. Open an elevated PowerShell or use turn Windows features on or off. Then run dism or PowerShell commands to disable Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux. For example use, dism/online/disable feature name, Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux /norstart. Make sure to also disable Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform if you enabled them. These components host WSL2. After disabling, you can reboot to let Windows fully unload the kernel and related services, which completes the core uninstall steps. Finally, reboot and verify removal. After restarting, run WSL list all or WSL status. You should see no distros and WSL disabled. Next, manually delete stray files. Look in appdata/local/packages for distro folders and Windows System WSL paths and remove them if they remain. If something blocks removal, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and sfc/scano, then retry the disable commands. This fixes corrupted component registrations. If you still see issues, reinstall then uninstall WSL to force a clean removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.